KATY'S Homes is excited to present to you 1615 Crappie Circle in Soddy Daisy, Tennessee on the lake. This was just finished and constructed in late fall of 2022. The family is upsizing for their growing family, and we are excited to present this to you. The current owners and custom builders left no detail undone. Can't wait to show you everything inside, beginning with this vaulted entryway. So as you come in, the great room is on your right side. All the natural lighting coming in from the lake is absolutely gorgeous. Entertaining here would be super easy as it's all open, and you have this beautiful chef-style kitchen with an amazing gas top oven and a farmhouse sink. I also like the open shelving look, and these windows open so you could even serve your guests that are enjoying the lake view on the porch. The ceilings are 25 feet at their tallest peak, and the stone fireplace goes all the way to the top. Absolutely love it when you can open up to a breath of fresh air on this massive back porch. So rumor has it that this is one of the most peaceful locations in the Chickamauga Lake. The crawl space door is located under the back side of the house, so right now I'm outside of the master, and it's beautifully encapsulated, so that helps a lot with moisture and pest control. And then down here underneath the porch we have a lot of storage with an industrial steel door, and it's gravel, so you can store a lot of things down here. It has the square footage of approximately a garage and a half. As you enter this master ensuite, you will notice that the ceilings are vaulted. At the highest point, they are 20 feet. The view of the lake is breathtaking. Oh, the mornings here would be gorgeous. Grab you a cup of coffee and stay in the bed and enjoy that sunrise. Coming into the bathroom, you can tell that we have two separate vanities, a walk-in shower, and very nice cool tones on the tile floor. Another amazing thing about this particular location is that you have year-round lake views. So not only does the water look beautiful in the middle of summer, you still have deep water in the winter times while the Chickamauga Dam has the water down. And you're conveniently located right where you can house your kayaks, paddle boards, access the boat ramp, and the private community dock. So the current owner pays a small fee of $350 a quarter to have his boat in a slip right there. The house that we have featured has a 40 by 12 foot porch, but if you want to entertain a larger party than that, feel free to reserve the private clubhouse.